Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to offset with your Silhouette Cameo software. So first I'm just going to type a word. And now I'm going to go and I want to select the script font for this. So I'm going to highlight my word, look for my font that I want to use. And I'm sure it can be any font. Now once I found my font, I'm going to select it and I'm going to weld it. And now I'm going to offset, select the word offset. Now here I'm just going to resize it, resize everything, just to show you guys up close and personal. Now you weld it so that your letters will connect and won't be going through each other. Now I'm just going to change the colors, just so you can get a better visual. And there you go. This is how you offset. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.